Here's the suspension bridge. Film over there, but this area. It's really pretty. It's hot out. It's 94 degrees. A little cooler in these trees though. That used to be a way up. That doesn't go up anymore. I have to go down. Another trail up. Looking for another entrance up to the waterfall. See, you can walk up there. There's a bluff up there you can walk through, but the storm took out one of the entrances up there this way. So now I gotta, it was kind of a shortcut. I'll have to find another way. There's a lot of other directions to get over there, but it's really hot out. saw the waterfall. Now we're heading back down the trail. And hiking our way out back to the car. It was so pretty. A lot of people over there swimming in the creek and hanging out by the waterfall. So I didn't get a lot of video or pictures of it, but I didn't want to have a bunch of people out there, so I got what I could. It's so pretty. So now, just gonna make our way back down. This overlooks some of the stream here. Make sure I don't take a wrong turn, or it might be even longer of a trip back. There's all kinds of different trail entrances. This one I believe goes up to the dam, which is up ahead, to Lake Windsor. Up this side, I've been up there a bunch of times. But I parked at the main entrance this time. You can park up by Windsor and walk down to the waterfall a lot faster. But I like hiking, so take the longer route. There's another bridge over here. Kind of looks full. Let's head over there. Let's see the longer distance up to the creek, back to the direction of the waterfall. Okay, kicking rocks everywhere. That. So pretty. This is really cool. I just don't want to come across like a mountain lion. Like, see, they can hide up in there. Mountain lions have plenty to eat. I'm sure they're not going to come after me. Still. These are pretty high. I love these trails. They just go on and on. You turn down any which way, it's taking you somewhere. Oh good, the circle back to the bridge. Went up and around. I was hoping this came back this way.